Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your transitions inside of CapCut. So I've got two clips loaded into my timeline right here, as you can see, and I'm just going to shorten them a little bit. So what we want to do is we want to start adding our transitions, and to add our transitions, all we have to do is move over to the transitions tab at the top. If we play the video as it is right now, you can see there isn't any transition. It really is just a clean cut from one video to the other. So here in the transitions tab, we're going to be able to see a lot of transitions that come included with CapCut. There might be a few that are free, and there might be a few that require the Pro version to use. There are also plenty of categories to choose from here at the left-hand side of your screen. Simply click on the Transitions tab to open up the full screen. So let's start with this one. This one looks pretty clean. All you have to do to preview a transition is to have it to mouse over it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop this in my timeline, and let's take a look at what it looks like here. Looks pretty good. And if we ever want to change that transition, all we have to do is delete, like make sure that the transition is the one that is selected in our timeline by clicking it. And once it is selected, press delete on our keyboard. Now we can choose a different one, maybe this one, although that doesn't look quite good with the type of video we have right now. So maybe this one. Yep, looks pretty good. And if you ever want to change the duration of your transitions, again, just make sure that they are selected in your timeline and move the duration slider here at the right hand side of your screen in the properties window. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.